With the chain in place over the rear sprocket, install the 2 O-rings as illustrated onto the master link. Slide the master link into the chain ends. Rotate the master link down. Install the outer 2 O-rings as illustrated. Slide the plate into the installation tool. Place the tool over the master link. Spin the plate onto the pins until it stops. Loosen and remove the tool. Next, install the peening tool. As you securely hold onto the tool, hammer several times onto the pin. Rotate the shaft on the tool 90 degrees. Hammer several more times. And repeat the procedure for the second pin.